This screencast will explain the 5 major principles of document layout and how to use them in a standard Word document. Balance is the distribution of the visual elements of a document. These elements include objects, colors, textures, and use of space. The balance can be symmetrical, asymmetrical, or radial. In a document such as this presentation, the space should be used effectively to avoid leaving negative space that makes the document difficult to follow. The colors should also be relevant to the document and not take away from the focus of it. Texture can help draw the audience's attention, but again, it should not take the audience's attention away from the point of the document. Instead, it should make the document more interesting and attract the audience's attention to the point the document is making. The use of images can be effective in limiting the text of a document because a text-heavy document tends to lose the attention of the audience. Alignment is how parts of the document are organized. These parts can be aligned with an edge of the document or centered. Alignment adds a level of formality to a document, making it look organized and easy to understand rather than chaotic. Grouping refers to how close or far apart objects in a document are in reference to each other. In a document, grouping can be used to either show similarities in objects that are close to one another, or it can show the contrast between objects that are different. Consistency is using the same sizes, fonts, and colors throughout a document. In a document, consistency makes the document easier to read and understand because the design is orderly and uniform. Contrast occurs in a document when 2 or more parts of the document are different. This can be done using color, shapes, sizes, or other aspects of the design. In a document, contrast draws the audience's attention to specific aspects of a document and shows how they are different, which should be significant to the point of the document.